Next exercise 18C. See the diagram is given. There is AC is given 42 meter and DP is 12 meter and BQ 9 meter, and we are going to find the area of the field, the whole portion you are going to find out. So I'm making as here like two triangles here. This is a triangle and this is a triangle. So triangle ABC and triangle ACD, two triangle. So we'll just take here area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD. Area of triangle formula half base in height plus half base in height. So half into here base is 42 and height is 9, and similar here also same thing. This triangle base is 42 and height is 12 centimeter. So just apply here 1 by 2 into 42 into 9 and 1 by 2 42 into 12. So 221 times and multiply 189. 221 times multiply 252. So add it 441 meters square. And see question number 2. In figure 2 measurements are given. Find the area of quadrilateral ABCD. Second one. So AC is given 62, B 20, AD is 18, CD 54 is given. And similar to the last question, we will take two triangle ABC and triangle ACD or ADC. You can take two triangle, and here's the same formula, half base in height, half base in height. So half into here, this triangle ABC means base is 62 and height is 20, and this triangle means this is 90 degrees here, so this is the base and this is the height. So 54 into 18. So apply here 62 into 20 and cut it 620, and here's the same 2 9s are 18s and multiply 486. So the answer is 1106 centimeters square. So that's question number 2. And next question number 3. Question number 3, you see what's given. The side of the rhombus are 5 centimeter, side of rhombus are 5 centimeter, and one of diagonal is 8 centimeter, and AC is 8 centimeter I mentioned here. And we know rhombus diagonal bisect each other. Rhombus diagonal bisect each other, so these two are equal, these two are equal. So if this is 8 centimeter means this will be 4 4. So AO and CO is equal to 8 by 2 4 centimeter. Okay, so we got 4 centimeter here. I just wrote here 4 centimeter, and the side of rhombus, all the sides are equal, so everything is 5 centimeter. So we just take this triangle AOB. This is 90 degree. Rhombus diagonal bisect each other at right angle, so this is at 90 degrees. So this is a hypotenuse. So AB square equal to AO square plus BO square. AB is 5 square, AO is 4 square, and BO we are going to find out. So 25 equal to 16 plus BO square. BO square equal to 25 minus 16. BO equal to root 9. So the answer is 3. So that means BO is 3 means this is 3. Both are equal only. So therefore BD is totally 6 centimeter. So BD is 6 centimeter. Now we are going to find area of rhombus. Area of rhombus formula half diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. So half into diagonal, already we know diagonal is 8 centimeter, the first one. Diagonal 1 is 8 centimeter, diagonal 2 is 6 centimeter. So diagonal 1 is 8 centimeter, diagonal 2 is 6 centimeter. You got it, 4 6 are 24 centimeters square. And next question number 4 is similar to the last question. Here perimeter is given 328 centimeter. Perimeter of rhombus is 328. So perimeter of rhombus formula 4 into side equal to 328. So side equal to 328 by 4, 82. So all the sides are 82 centimeter, and diagonal is given 160 centimeters. So like last question given 8 centimeter, and here is given 160, and same like that we will divide it by 2. So this will get 80 and 80 because rhombus diagonal bisect each other. So this is 80 centimeter. And now same take like before, we'll take this triangle AOB. AB square equal to AO square plus BO square, and AB is 82 and AO is 80. BO you are going to find out. So 82 square minus 80 square. So I'm just using the formula A square minus B square. Formula is A plus B into A minus B. So add it 162, subtract 2, multiply 324. So therefore root 324 value is 18. So that means 1 BO is 18 means even we know DO also 18. Both are equal only. So 18 plus 18, 36. So the side is 36, diagonal is 36 centimeter. Now it's like before, last question, area of rhombus is formula half D1 into D2, half into D1 already given in the question 160. Now D2, that's diagonal 2, we got 36. Apply here and cut it. 80 into 36, so answer is 2880 centimeters square. So that's all.